We live. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, we are live, right? Okay. Should be good to go. Get a minute and a half here. Hey, what's up, future trading? Long time no see. How's it going? How's it going? Yeah, I had to take off a day on Friday just to reset my mindset and my mentality, but now I feel good again. Feel way better. All right, we got 30 seconds. How's your account doing? Getting closer to a payout, or what are you doing? Oh, you also took some day off. Okay, that's good. Yeah, it doesn't hurt here and there just to take a day off. Damn, look at the Nasdaq. Oh my god. Okay, good that I realized. I was still on NQ. I don't want to trade two contracts NQ here. Good that I realized. Might be a little bit too much for $1,000 drawdown. This could have been like a disaster. Jeez. Well, good that I realized. You expected something like this to happen today? Yeah, I mean, a lot of volatility. I mean, what's going on? Are there any news coming out, or like what's the reason for it that we're shooting up? Still going higher. Oh yeah, we pulled back last week. Yeah, I mean, that's true. Still going. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the 15-minute range to form. I mean, not a big fan if we just go straight up here. Definitely need some sort of pullback. And then we also have news in 27 minutes. Look at this. Just still going. All right, there should be some resistance up here now. Let's see. Yeah. 110 points here, right on the open. 21,800. Yeah, we've been way higher, right? Oh yeah. Yeah, it was a big pullback. Well, if I had an account to trade this with, I mean, on the ES, it worked out pretty decent. Had a big ass candle breaking all these highs and then straight up profit. I mean, is it just going to go higher today? What do you think? What a move. What a move here. Ugh. All right, we got 9 minutes. I really hope we're going to see a little pullback here and then hold maybe at the 50% level of this move. Then get ready for another breakout. Hopefully this week we can finally get to a payout again. I mean, I still have to update the, how do you say that, the overlay. I still have the payout streak there. Unfortunately, we lost that. It was the first month where I couldn't take a payout in over a year. So hopefully by the end of the week, I mean, this account is super close. We're like 370 off. But yeah, I have some accounts ready, but I don't want to activate them yet. I still want to focus just on trading the Tradeify accounts before I move over to more funded accounts again. Very strong. It is very strong. First time now that we are holding at least a little bit. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna have a trade, like a long trade today on the 15-minute. Look, it's still going. Still going. Seven minutes. Still got plenty of time here. Yeah, and then at 4 we have, what is this? ISM, PMI. All right. It's a very strong breakout. I mean, 150 points here from the open. Still going. Still going. Yeah, on Friday I took the 15-minute break as well. It worked out really good. Friday was super clean. We can go back real quick. I'm not gonna take anything anyways right now, so still gotta wait. Let's just go back to Friday. I think that's Friday. Is this Friday? Oh yeah, I think this was the yeah. Not sure. Where was it? Somewhere here. But yeah, worked out pretty good on Friday. Damn, we're still going. Still pushing higher here. Definitely need a pullback. If we just go straight higher, I'm not gonna take a long there. Oh, I'm so tired again. Hey Sean, how's it going? How is it going? And what a move today, huh? You're gonna take a long on the 50-minute break, or? Yeah, just talked about it. Like I took it on Friday. Like Friday I didn't stream, but I took it and worked out pretty smooth on Friday. It was like 27 points. Yeah, if we just go straight up, I'm not gonna take it because the last time we did this before we had a pullback and I just hopped onto it. It immediately pulled back, right? I was in a trade. So this time I'm just gonna wait for a pullback first, but if we don't get a pullback and we still break out, I would just wait until we get maybe back into the range and then another breakout, but we will see. If not, we're not gonna take a trade there. At least it looks like we're starting to get a little bit of pullback, but super strong here. I mean, if you look for 100 points, like, I mean, it could do it, but we already, what is it? Like 180 points from the open, 170 points. So, not sure if we're gonna still go higher then. And we also have news at 10. So in 28 minutes, or in 18 minutes, right? Yeah, 18 minutes. All right, here's our little pullback. We get 2 minutes after this candle. Also, Sean, do you have an indicator that automatically draws the line for the 15-minute range? Like, you're using NinjaTrader or another platform? Because I know, like on Quant Tower, you can change it that there's like some sort of indicator that you don't have to draw it by yourself. But I don't know on NinjaTrader. Oh, you do it manual. Okay. I mean, it's not too difficult. All right, I like the pullback. Repeater. Okay, I'm gonna write that down. You gotta pay for it or free to use? All right, last minute here. It's really okay, perfect. Did you try it before? Like, did it work? Like, does it work properly or does it have some glitches and bugs? Yes, okay. All right, I'm gonna have a look. All right. Well, at this point, I would be surprised if we're gonna get a short here as an entry. Range is formed. All right, now we just gotta wait for our breakout. You're gonna, if you take it, you're gonna hold it into the news, like in 15 minutes, or you're gonna put it break even or close it. What are you gonna do? What about tomorrow? Oh, tomorrow as well. 30 minutes into the open. Wednesday as well. All right. So 3 out of 5 days we're gonna have news 30 minutes after the open. Well, I hope, to be honest, we're just gonna hold here and then the news come out, we're still in this range. And then we get a breakout there after. Google earning this week. Oh. But they don't post their earnings during the market hours, right? It's always after close. All right, actually pulling back quite a lot here. No, those days are weird. Okay. And we're almost like 50% of this open move. I mean, pretty much at 50% here. Let's see if we're gonna bounce or not. Well, maybe we're gonna hold. I think if we're like a couple minutes away from the news and then we get an entry, I don't think I'm gonna take it. So if we don't get an entry like in the next 6 minutes, I'm not gonna take it before news. Don't want to do something stupid this week. I did a lot of stupid things last week, so hopefully this week I'm gonna be more my normal self. But yeah, I passed another Bull Knox account this morning, so at least something positive. We're already 80 points away here from the break on the upside. Wow. Just pulling back completely here. Well, I was pretty sure we're gonna get a long entry here. Like if we get an entry, it's gonna be a long, but I'm not sure anymore. But if we just hold this area and then with the news coming out, we're still in this range, this would be perfect for me. Let me use the restroom real quick. So I'm ready for later. Well, looks like I just arrived in time to Get the setup, huh? It's straight back down. Yep. What a clean move up, and then what a clean move down. But yeah, I mean, we have news in 6 minutes. I don't know. I think I shouldn't take it. Even if we get a setup here, this is... yeah, I don't want to risk it. News gonna have some impact. So. Well, no, it looks like we're actually gonna get a short. What a move. I don't know, Sean, what are you gonna do? I mean, I'm not gonna... I know I shouldn't. I know I shouldn't enter before the news. I don't think there's enough time now to get something. Well, I just hope... I mean, the news, they're gonna have some impact, but hopefully we just stay in this range and then give it another chance. But damn. Oh, you're gonna do it? Well, I was thinking maybe on one account, but not both together. You know, even though it could work like on a normal day, but with the news coming out, it could just ruin everything. That's what I'm worried about. What a morning here. What a open. 180 points up, 140 points down. And all super clean. Yeah, I will wait for after the news. Oh, going lower, going lower. We got 2 minutes. Looks like we're gonna break out any second here. It's still going, yeah. Right, a minute and 10 seconds. Are we gonna see a breakout before the news are gonna come out? Maybe the next candle. 150 up, 150 down, yep. Just a normal Monday morning for the NQ, right? Just a regular Monday. I really hope the news, they're just gonna push it up into this range again. Let's hope for the best here. Come on, this is the only setup I want to take. The only setup I can take. Don't ruin it for me. The 60-minute candle looks pretty interesting. Super long wick there. All right, let's see. Not gonna enter right on the news, so even if we get a breakout, I just have to wait. So let's hope we're bouncing. Oh, okay. A little spike lower. Looking good. I mean, I would love to take it, but it's just not on the news. I already know it. If this goes lower, I'm gonna be pissed. Like, should have taken it. Okay, well, never mind. There it goes. Well, this would have been a big stop loss. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with this. Come on, just pull back. Just to reward me for being disciplined, please. A little tiny pullback. It's just gonna go lower. Sean, what are you doing? I mean, I know you always wait for the 5 minutes to close. You gonna take a short or a... Well, right now I made the right decision not to take it. Come on, pull back into this, and then I'm gonna take another step. Oh, you're gonna? Okay. Well, my stop would have been here, at the top of the candle. Let's see. Would be already 50 points drawdown, so not too pretty. See if we would have been stopped out here. Still 20 points away. Man, I'm glad I didn't take it. Okay, my stop was 308. Let's see, we're 4 points away. I'm proud of myself. I was able to resist the temptation here. And we pulled back into it. Pulled back into it. I don't know if I trust this. No. All right, Sean, you in or you gonna wait? I mean, it closed below, but it's super weak. How it closed. You in? Okay. You're looking for 100 points or what's the target? Pre-market low. But 50 point stop, right? Well, don't take it personal. I hope we're gonna get a little pullback first, but not stopping you out. But just give me a chance to hop on as well. If we go, it doesn't look good. I mean, where's your stop? Is it at 330 or? Yes. Oh, well, I just wanted a little pullback. This is more than enough for me, so we can stop here. Hold on, do something crazy. Just sell off completely. I think it got pretty close, right? Oh, it got right on 330. Did it hit you, or are you still in? Please tell me you're still in. If this sells off now, this is going to be annoying. Okay, okay, it's 335. Okay, come on. Go lower. We're holding, I wanted to say, but yeah, it's super volatile. Sometimes it's hard to keep up to date with all the news coming out. You have to, I don't know. Sometimes, I mean, I use Forex Factory. Sometimes they don't show everything, you know? Especially if someone just posts like a tweet or something. It's super hard to track. Come on, go lower. Just do it. Go lower. I mean, you gotta believe, Sean. Stay strong. Okay, come on. That looks good. That looks better. Gotta clench your cheeks. That's all what you gotta do. Believe in it. See if I can get an entry as well. Oh, let's ride on it. Damn, what a roller coaster ride here. Up, down. Come on, market. Don't be weird. I mean, this kind of looked promising to me, you know? Some good move. All right, maybe I get my entry as well here. Let's have a look. Uh, nope, not yet. Closed right on it. Well, you're back in profit, right? That's you got 2 points of profit there. Uh-oh. No, that's not good. Oh no. This is the worst. It gives you hope, you know, for a second, goes back to your entry and then just shoots up. Damn. I mean, anything is possible, you know that. All right. Go lower market. Uh-oh. No, that's not looking good. We gotta go lower. 10 points. You're in 2 or just 1 this time? Come on, don't be so weird. Just go lower. Only 1. Okay. Not too bad. All right, we still got a couple points to work with. Okay. Just sell off already. I mean, if we get a good entry here, we just need one candle that closes below the line as a good close, and then I'm gonna hop in as well. Still holding. Well, I really hope we're gonna drop lower. Okay, it's trying again to push. 10 points here. Stay strong, Sean. You got this. Just look away. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Just trying to play with your feelings. I mean, you're still in. Yeah, especially if it's price like this, like price action that is just like torture. Yeah, that's what I always say. You know, if you want to stop me, you know what? Just shoot up, take me out, and call it a day. But the slow suffering, you know, up and down and back to break even, and then there's so many thoughts. Oh, should I take it off? Should I move stop? And then you know, and then at the end you're gonna look at it and you're gonna be like, oh yeah, should have just moved it break even. You know, should have just taken it off there. Me neither. I'm not a fan of it. You know, if you want to stop me out, just do it right away. I mean, we're still in. There's still hope for you. Oh, rest in peace. There it goes. Well, see it positive. At least it was only one micro. Usually you trade two, right? So tomorrow you're gonna get a nice 100-point winner with two micros and you're good to go. Finally out, yeah. Well, you get this. I mean, overall you're doing pretty well, right? The last weeks. Like most of the times when we talk, you're doing pretty good. All right, now go lower so I can also get in a short and I can be the next victim here. Me next, please. I'm next on the list, John. All right, let's see. I might get an entry here. Yeah, we're already 50 minutes in. Time is flying by. I mean, there's no shot, right? We're gonna go all the way up again to the 460s. All right, let me just get more water. Just 1 second. And we're actually going higher or what? Oh, okay. Well, guess no setup here for me then. It's still 100 points to get there. And then a breakout. I don't know. Wow, what a weird market today. Interesting. All right, let's see what other people are doing today. If other people are green. Well, I mean, right now, to be honest, I think we can just trade my Phidias evals. I mean, I still want to take a trade here on the funded accounts, but it just might take a little bit longer until we get a setup. So let's do this for now. Here we're just trying to be more aggressive anyway, so well, let's see if we can ride this all the way up here somewhere. No trade yet. I mean, still waiting for like a good setup for on the breakout. So right now we're just trading some evals, so we have something to do. Just a little bit. Still want to take it on my funded account. Yeah, we're like 90 points off on the upside and then like 80 down. So still a long way. That's good. Yeah, I mean, feels good to be rewarded that I didn't take it, you know? It's always a big temptation on the news just to do it, but Sean, would you take another entry if we break out on the upside, or that's it for you? Only one micro again, okay. What was the latest trade you've taken on the 50-minute range? Because now we're already like an hour in. What was the latest you've waited? Let me zoom in a little bit more for you. Yeah. 11:12. So, I mean, if you're Eastern, then an hour 30, right? An hour 30 or Yeah, 1 hour 30. Hey, Lawrence, how's it going? How was your weekend? Oh, you're from New York. Okay. You're just from the state, New York, or you're from New York City? Like you're from the city itself or around it? Good. I mean, I'm good. I took Friday off. I didn't stream Friday because I just had to reset my mindset and all of that. But yeah, I mean, I feel pretty good. We're still waiting for a trade on the funded accounts. Nothing yet. Okay, this is too last then if it's at one. Fuck them. Oh no, Juno, what happened to you? Go open a window. My Uncle Mo with the secret strategies. Good call. I actually wanted to do it just a minute ago. But yeah, guys, I'm still working on my window open course. It's coming out this week. Limited spots. Limited spot. Because of the blow up. Yeah, I mean, it's just me being stupid the last couple of weeks, so just gotta be more disciplined again. Didn't hit my entry 2 times. Which entry? You looked for a short or a long? One long and one short. Well, at least you didn't lose anything. I know it sucks if you don't get filled, but better than having a losing trade. All right, let's see if we can build some drawdown on these accounts, but I'm not gonna activate them even if we get them to funded. Definitely gonna wait until I get a payout from Tradeify first. You got funded? Hey, let's go. Good job. Today or was it on Friday? Just make sure on your customer profile that you update your. Oh, today. Yeah, you need to wait until market close. And they're going to send you an email. It's going to be late. It's going to be like 2 a.m. our time. So just wait a little bit. But then make sure you upload your ID or your passport and stuff to the profile so they can identify your identity already. So if you get to a payout, it doesn't take too long to wait. Fuck the market. Well, what did the markets do to you, Lawrence? Yeah, you don't need to do anything else. They're gonna send you an email. But it's gonna be 2 a.m. our time, so just have some patience. All right, I should hit our target here. Oh, come on. The market backdoor you. Well, sometimes she's rough, I know. She's a heartbreaker. She's not for the weak. 21,072. I mean, it's hard to see where your entry was without the time frame, etc. Was it under another eval account or what was it? Classic dancing, yeah. It's the sim market makers. They're after me. Just like last week, they want my sim stop loss and all of that. You just have to confuse them. If you don't use a stop, they don't know where to look at. You need to confuse them. You have 6 now in total. What is the progress? How much you're up on them? Okay. Your channel has caught their attention. Oh, Jesus Christ. The chart is frozen. All right, we're back. Damn, okay. Well, market only goes higher, right? Just gotta chase it. Yeah, Mo. They're gonna ban it at one point. They're gonna update all the prop firm rules. No more window open strategy. No signups. Well, let me see. All right, Lawrence. Appreciate you tuning in like always. I hope everything goes well this week. Thank you for tuning in. What did I even check that? Oh, damn it. I need to DCA. Wait. Took that short. Yeah, I'm still on. It says on May 31st, like the last day of May, there was someone getting accounts. Oh, your friend. Hey, okay, I appreciate it. But make sure they don't need to use my code. Feel free to use any other code, you know? But of course, if you want to support me, I really appreciate it. But it's never necessary, and always do your own research with the prop firms, etc. Come on, go higher. Mo, what about you? How was your weekend, Mo? What does Uncle Mo do on the weekend? Come on, just go higher. Some nature and camping. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. How is it with the bears and everything, the wildlife? Do you have like a bear spray and stuff like that, or how do you do it? But that sounds good. There's like a saying. I mean, I'm not. What is it like? If it's brown, lay down, or if it's something else, like if it's another color, you have to scream and be loud or something. What is the saying? You probably know that. Oh, if it's black, fight back. Yeah, we don't have bears in, in Germany, so no idea. Well, there goes the account. Jeez. Well, the market is wild today. Well, seems like we got a DCA a little bit more today. Short, yeah, you short worked, I guess. And what happened there? Yeah, super volatile today, the market. All right, let's let the DCA magic work out here. A little DCA can fix a lot of things. But yeah, we're still waiting on a trade here on my funded accounts as well. We're still waiting to get a break off the 15-minute range. You fucked up DCA on Friday. Well, DCA works until it doesn't. That's the beautiful thing. If you do it, you just need a hard stop. Like, you can't just DCA forever. I mean, it works pretty good if we're in a tight range. We can make some good money, but if we're just trending, sometimes it's hard. All right, market. Are you active on Twitter? I mean, I have a Twitter profile, but I think I have 10 people following me there. I never post something really. Let me have a look. Oh, I have 11 followers. Okay, I can post a link here. Oh, you just followed me. Oh, I appreciate it. I mean, there's just so many bots following me. It's so weird. All right, market. Gotta go higher here. Oh, I don't like it. But yeah, what is your progress on the other eval accounts with videos? I mean, you got one funded now, and you still got 6 more evals, right? Or 50 on each? Okay. I mean, I still have 4. I have 500 on 3, and one has 750. But yeah, it doesn't look good for this one here. So we're slowly just selling off. 500, no evals. 4 evals. Told you, I also fucked up a little bit last week. I mean, I was so close on one account to get a payout. But yeah, didn't work out. You still short or you out already? Oh, you got out. Okay. Hmm. Well, I would like to keep this account. Yeah, probably once we have funded accounts with videos again, I'm just gonna trade my 15-minute strategy here as well. Last time I just tried to push it too hard. Still a long way to go here to get to our target. And if we get to the target, I'm gonna switch over to the next account here. Okay, almost back to break even. Selling off again. I mean, we could add a couple more here, but I don't know. I think I have to give it more room. Add, we need to give it room, you know? We don't give it enough room to work out, it's gonna be difficult. Okay, but the two that we added, we're just gonna take them off a little bit earlier. All right, Juna, let's see. See if your call works out. What about we're just gonna walk to the window and close it? Sometimes that helps. Well, okay. Everything is on you, yeah. Gonna send you an invoice after this if we blow it. I mean, come on, we're not asking for too much here. You're long. Yeah, you have a way better entry than me, but I was chasing the market like always. Just we have to get it right. I mean, these accounts are still pretty fresh. You know, we still have to get it right and build up this drawdown. A lot of drawdown. Well, I mean, I said before, I just want to take it slow with these accounts. Like, I don't want to push it too much, you know? If I get them done by Friday, I'm okay with it. All right, yeah, UTP is pretty close. One little spike and you got it. Mine is a little bit off. All right, back to break even here. Let's get out at least these 2 contracts that we added. Let the other 6 run. You only have 1 mini. Yeah, well, I'm 8 minis. Oh, I mean micros, sorry. Well, you're 1 mini? Oh, you mean micros? Oh, micro, okay. I thought, Jesus. 1 mini on 500 drawdown? Not bad. Yeah, this want to go higher. This want to go higher. Come on, take off 2. All right, there's UTP. Well, I told you before I lost an account because I thought I'm on MNQ, but I was on NQ, and then I was in 2 contracts. Account lasted like 4 seconds. Not a good idea. Not hit. Any second. Slowly going higher here. Yeah, there you go. There's 86. Let's see if I get my 2 out here. Nope. Not yet. Oh, I don't like that. Yeah, it's yours. Well, just missed mine by I think a tick or 2. Oh, if we go lower now, that's gonna be really bad. Getting out 2 will help. Let's go for yours, hopefully. I mean, my other target is still 27 points away. Hmm. That's not nice. It's just easier to survive these pullbacks if we have more drawdown. So these 2 contracts, they really mattered. Doesn't look too good. We just have to bounce here. But it looks like we're getting weaker. You're gonna re-enter. Okay. 351. Okay. Well, I hope we're gonna get a bounce here. I mean, I'm scalping a little bit in the background on another account just to make some progress there. All right, let's see. Holding this level, that's good. Gotta hold it. Come on, take off 2 at least. That would be nice. All right, back to break even pretty much. Come on, take off 2. All right. Still have 6 in. Let's move just a little bit closer. Just want to get out there. Come on, we're not done here. Just gotta go higher a little bit. Just a couple more points. I mean, I already moved it a little bit closer. I mean, it has to be worth it at the end, you know? If we hold it through so much drawdown, it has to be worth it. There we go. Nice. Okay. All right. Perfect. Then, I mean, just for you to know, this is the first account. We're up at 722. This one we're up 860. This one is at 530, and this one is at 530 as well, pretty much. So we're gonna move on to the next one here. Still have 2 more accounts to trade. Looks like we're getting stronger here. Still 60 points away from the high here. And if we get there, I would even switch over to my funded accounts again. Might even get another entry there as well. All right, let's see if we can break this high. If we break this, I'm gonna get in. Yeah, I want this to be broken first and then take another. All right, we're in. I mean, here on evals, we can be more aggressive. Just get a close above there, it would be nice. All right, that's a good close. Still waiting. Yep. I mean, we're getting closer again. Getting closer again. We're 50 points off. At least we can trade some evals. There's something to do. All right, pulling back, but that doesn't matter. It's still DCA. Okay. Get some resistance here at the other previous high. Let's see if we get through. We'll pull back. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I mean, we can DCA just a little bit. I'm still gonna wait. I would just rather have it hit my TP right now. And I hope we're just going higher. I really want to trade on my funded accounts. Yeah, it's holding. I'm gonna get ready for another little DCA action. All right. Just a little bit. Oh shit. Well, gotta bounce, right? Damn, it's always pulling back so strong that my data is freezing. Did it before. Yeah, right. Come on. Keep pushing. I mean, it was to be expected. There's a lot of resistance up there. See if we're gonna test this one more time or we're gonna go lower. All right. Let's just take off 2 at least. That would be nice. All right. It's getting super volatile here. Yeah, the Feds are Powell is speaking in 2 hours, so still have a lot of time until then. All right, it's holding. And let's move this into high here. Okay, should take out at least 2 here in any second. Then we let the other 4 run just a little bit more. Pulling back again. Also quite strong. All right, let me use the restroom. Just gonna let this run. Be right back in just a second. Okay, we have like 700 drawdown left, so still some room. Well, selling off, I guess. Just gotta hold this level here. Add. No, no. It's not enough space. Not enough drawdown right now. We have like 700 drawdown, then yeah, but not enough. I want to give it a chance to work out, you know? Just let it play out. I mean, looks like you were correct. If I added there, we could have at least taken these two off again. Yeah, still okay. Okay, let's see if we can take off two here. That would be already super helpful. All right, took off one. Didn't fill the other one. All right. Okay, we have four left. Let's let them run into the highs here. Still a lot of resistance up there. And now we can add two more if it gets lower. Yeah, definitely struggles to get through these highs there. All right, you had another trade at 390. Okay. All right, let's add 2 more. Just little scalp here. How much drawdown do you have now on this account that you're trading? All right, just bounce of our entry here. Take off 2 again. Yeah, once we break this, we might just test the highs of the day. Could be. Oh, okay. So almost 700. Yeah, I think once you have like 750 in profit, so you have like 1200, 1100 drawdown around this level, it's a lot easier. A lot easier. But, I mean, if you just start the account fresh and you have a couple losses right at the beginning, it's just so hard to recover. Hmm. Do we add one more time? Okay, let's see. We get filled. Has to be the last ad here. I mean, you can try to pass it with 1 micro. It's just gonna take so long. Let's see if we can get these 2 off at least that we just added. Yeah, just keep bouncing. You can do it. Yeah, right. Nice. Just need to get to the 90s here. Take off the other 2, and then the world looks completely different again. As long as we're holding this level here, we're fine. DCA, of course. Told you, DCA works so good until it stops working. Okay. Just think about all the extra profit that we make with it, you know? Just always, even just a couple ticks, 2 contracts, a couple ticks here, a couple ticks there, it adds up over time. And we still have to push to the highs here again one more time. It's holding again. But yeah, pretty much if we get to the target here, we're done with this account as well, and then we're just gonna switch over to the last account. And I mean, I still have to trade my funded accounts. We didn't have any trade yet, so. There's no setup there. Okay, back break even. I mean, if we go lower again, I will add more. All right, it is holding. Just hate to be stuck in a trade like that. But yeah, I mean, again, if I just waited for all these pullbacks, it would have been so easy. But this happens if you go long right at the top. Okay, we're halfway there. Yeah, I guess once we break all these highs, we're gonna test the highs of the day again. All right, back to the entry. Okay, let's see if we can add more. It could also just break to the downside. All right, now we're in 8 contracts. Now I can definitely not add anymore. So this is the max. All right, now we just need to hope for a bounce. A lot of sideways today. Okay, now it counts. Now we need to bounce and to hold. Already like 20 points away here from our first targets. All right, we're holding it so far. Okay, I mean, if we take out these 4 contracts, I'm gonna move the other ones closer as well. Just to get out of this at one point. So far it's holding the level. Okay, let's see if we get them out. This would be helpful if we get them out. All right, 5 points away. And we're so stuck in this. Could have been so easy if I didn't go long right at the top. All right, pushing lower again. Feels like something is about to happen. Be a big seller, or we're gonna spike higher again. Just need to hold this level. All right, that's a good reaction here. Just need to continue. We're slowly rolling over, unfortunately. Maybe if we take a 4 there, we can put a break even or something. Downtrend, yeah, it's slowly getting weaker. I'm not too sure. But we still didn't break all these lows. You know, there's still some lows holding, which is nice. All right, now we're pushing right back into it. Yeah, come on. Take up at least 4 there. This would be nice. Yeah. Sellers stepping in. Okay, a couple points of profit. It's just if I take it off all here completely, it was just all for basically nothing. So let's see. It's a good close. Just get a 4 there. If we get a 4, that's gonna be much better. And what a fight here. All right, now it's going lower again. Yeah, pretty much just sideways since a couple minutes here. Ooh. Man, this is making me tired again. Okay, nice. So we have 4 left. Come on, keep pushing. Gotta make some progress here on this account. And what a what a long trade. Just stuck in it. All right. Market pushing. Well, looks good. We're 15 points or 12 points off now. Just keep going higher. Yeah, I would really like to get out here soon and take a little break. Looking promising. Slowly grinding higher. One last spike and then should be fine. Oh no, just selling off again. Wow, what an exhausting trade. It's just if I move it closer now, it feels so unrewarding. Like we waited so long. All right, last push. Come on. Get the momentum going here. 5 points away, 4 points away. Just let us out. Just let us go, please. Now just do it already. All right, nice. There we go. All right, not too bad. Well, I mean, I'm maybe gonna take something on the funded accounts. I mean, we're still far away from the breakout that we always look for, so not too sure about it. Let me minimize that. I don't know. Maybe I'm just gonna take a break. I mean, it was a pretty exhausting trade here, so. Yeah, I think it's the best to do. I think I'm gonna call it here for now. I mean, was successful on the evals. I hope maybe later on I get another setup on the funded accounts and make some progress there as well. But overall, not too bad. I'm pretty happy that I didn't take the 15-minute break because it would have been a big loss. So something positive. Anyways, guys, I will be back tomorrow again. Like I said, I passed another bull knocks this morning, so I gotta activate it and we can trade the open again, like we always used to do. And then hopefully we get a nice setup on the 15-minute and yeah, push these videos accounts. Anyways, guys, appreciate you all for tuning in. Like always, it really helps me. Make sure that the thumbs up on your way out. And I see you tomorrow again. Stay green, be careful, and spend some time with your family and loved ones. All right, guys, I see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.